What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been a minute, and I know that your girl been taking on more than I could chew, let's just say. And apart from that, when I did get the energy to make some videos, I was a little bit under the weather too. And on top of that, I have a lot on my plate. But it is time to get cracking. So, any whoops, my darlings. Welcome back to the channel, okay? Just make sure that you like, share, and subscribe for sure. I am going on a little vacay. Maybe a big one. This one was sponsored by my daughter. So my daughter is taking me on vacay, and we are going to Miami. Yes, honey, we're gonna be on the beach and all that good stuff. I really deserve this trip. I think I really need to get some of that good seawater. Since I've been there at Jamaica, to get the seawater, your girl is definitely I'm trying to set y'all up here. Let's see. Yeah, that for now. But your girl need the seawater because I've been extremely tired lately, y'all. If you're watching this from my cooking channel, I've not been cooking too much lately at all. Just not been cooking. It's just me, baby girl, and my husband. And my husband did cut down a lot on how much he's eating. And as for me, I don't have much of an appetite. So, I'm a daughter, baby girl is not in the mood for eating. So when I do cook, y'all, it tends to go to waste. And let's just say I'm not only, for those of you that know, I was doing this vegan journey for a minute, and ever since I went to Jamaica, this past Christmas, and honey, did I break the vegan rules, okay? So I've just been eating a lot of fish. I eat a lot of fish though, and vegetables and chicken. I do eat that, seafood and all them something there, but I have not been eating any beef. How much time I go cook shrimp and all them something for now? I'm just not been cooking. And as if you're watching this from my home decor channel, I have not been doing any extreme home decor. Haven't really been shopping or anything like that. I'm not in the mood for do nothing, y'all. I don't know what I want me. But anyway, I like a vacay won't hurt, right? So your girl is packed. So, okay, y'all. So my bags are all packed here. You know, packed all neatly and stuff like that. But it is packed. I have just a few little clothes here. Of course, I'm bringing my shorts because, hey, it's going to be hot, right? So I'm going to bring the little shorts, yeah. It's pretty, I bought it a little bit bigger than usual. I do wear 12 or 14, but just to be on the safe side, I did get a 16, just in case it no stretch. And I did get a few little tops here and there to go accordingly, just if I have little outings or stuff like that. But yeah, my bags are all packed. I do have some makeup in here. And then I have some other little things over that side. But yeah, my bags are packed. I have to do a little bit of cleaning up. Have some wigs that I have to get rid of. Whole tons of wigs here. And things to put away. But overall, this bag is packed. All I have to do here is just close it up. And just... Oh, wait a minute, y'all. Yeah. There you go. All I have to do is just close it up now. And put it in the car. And I'm done. Done. I'm doing some laundry, but some clothes going there. Then I have this sheet and towel to wash. I think I have a little bit of whites here, but I can leave those for later. I'm going to wash those as well and get those going. Hopefully I'll be able to do all of this before I leave. But yeah, housework I have to do. My office, I'm not touching that, but I'm just going to leave everything as is. However, I'm going to vacuum the rugs. That's about it. Going to leave my room basic. I'm not going to do any of that other stuff. I did clean my bathroom though. I did go and get my brows done yesterday, and I did my lashes. So I just decided to do some individual lashes, and of course I did my hair. What I did with my hair was pretty simple. More of up that little don't bother me type of thing. So I did get some braids here. I'm trying to tie it up, y'all. But yeah, I did get some braids. I'm gonna put it also on the seat. So yeah, that's what my hair look like. I can basically play with this here. Bring it over, yes, so bring it over this, so tie it up, do I kind of thing, do them like it. So, now go ahead and clean up in here. Plan is to clean up this particular room because this is room that my husband be messing up, y'all. So, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up that space. Do some dishes. I'm done with packing. So we're driving, so we have to leave Amber time. I love this, you know. But yeah. So I could basically do my hair this way, right? Or just bring them over that way. Bring them over that way. Whatever I want to do. Bring this up like this. Play around with my hair like that. But yeah. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now is clean up your saw. Water the plants. Yeah. I did go in the backyard and clean up my tent. Y'all, I do have a tent in back. But this one I come back because some are not done yet. But I did clean out my tent, took the sheets out, spray it, make sure my spirits and the bugs not going there, and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my dishes up, clean up the downstairs bathroom. I already cleaned up my guest room already because we did have guests over 2 weeks ago, so I did that already. And then I'm gonna go get a facial because girl face have to look clean, yeah. Get rid of them ear and them something that out of the face. Yeah. I did get a massage yesterday. I'm back. So like, share, subscribe. Lots of vlogs to come. Just be sure that you all be thumbsing up these videos. Alright.